ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the newest episode of Sounds of the Valley. I'm Nathan Blazer.
And my name is Charlie Retcher. Today for you, we have a very special guest. We have Miss B. So if you guys are ready, go ahead and take it away.
Diseased. I can't stop listening to the cure. And I wish you were here, but I'm too scared to ask for more. I smoked my first cigarette tonight. I said I never would. It felt alright, 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 alright. And I think I just might puke. I might drown, I might run, I might run, I might run all over town and scream your name. I might cry, but who the hell am I to dream about having you around? It's always hard going home. It's only hard being alone. Sometimes I have so many moments with you I never wanna leave. Gonna roll up my sleeves and tell you how I feel, or I might puke. I might drown, I might run, I might run, I might run all over town, scream your name. I might cry, but who the hell am I to dream about having you around? Gonna put on my big jacket, I slip out the door. Yes, I'm coming home, 'cause at 10 o'clock Racy's closes its doors. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna drown, I'm gonna run, I'm gonna run all over town, scream your name. I might cry, but who the hell am I to dream about having you around, oh, having you around. Thank you. Original, you say, and then you try so hard to be, and you can tell me the truth, but nothing's gonna set me free. And reality's feeling like a personal wasteland of mine. Oh, and tell me, my friend, oh, what's the landscape of your mind? Oh, what's the landscape of your mind? Oh, mine. I want to know your mind. Oh, because you make me feel wide-eyed, standing in place, accompanied by a mundane rhyme. Ask me what I do with my time. Ask me what I do with my time. Ask me what I do with my time. How come you never ask me what I do with my time? Oh, oh, and what's the landscape of your mind? Your mind. I know you'll never be, you'll never be, you'll never be mine. Oh, mine, but I still wanna know. I still wanna know. Tell me why. Why do I still wanna know? Oh, I wanna know the landscape of your mind. Your mind, oh yeah. Your mind, oh yeah. Your mind. You're mine now. You're mine. Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah, great job, you guys.
Thank you.
So now we move into the most scary and challenging portion of Sounds of the Valley, the interview. So with that, we have some questions for y'all that if you feel brave enough, please answer.
Cool.
Awesome. Love to hear that. So question number 1. How long have you guys been together?
Since like October-ish?
Since Halloween.
Yeah.
Started officially on Halloween night, I guess we could say.
There you go.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, and what was kind of the story about you guys getting together? Have you always been jamming and just kind of known each other, or how did things come up?
Well, we met and played some songs together at Acoustic Cafe, just like a note to read. And then we were like, wow, that sounded cool. And then we practiced a couple more times. And then I've already played with Jason a few times. So, yeah.
Awesome. I'm pretty sure the first time I ever saw you guys was actually at Acoustic. I had no idea that was your first time performing together.
First
That's
time
really cool.
All right. So what has it been like, being all together and like actually writing and making your own music together? Like, describe how that's been for you guys, because I feel like there's so many bands that just like do covers, so it's really cool to like see people coming out with their own stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It's been incredibly fun. Like every step of the way, we've sounded like almost completely different. Like when it was just them two, it sounded totally different. And I remember the first time I ever saw Brooke was she played at a Cove event, Cove Collective. They're like a social justice activism group. They had their first meeting over the summer, and she played just her own songs, just solo, her and her guitar. And then I saw her play with Wyatt, and it was so much different. And then I joined, and yeah.
Now it's even more different.
Yeah. Turns out if you had more instruments, things sounded good.
Yeah.
Interesting. Never would have thought of that.
Who'd have thought? Yeah.
Musician pro tip.
So I know you guys are kind of breaking things in new, and so you guys have been a band. So since it's October, it's been about 4 or 5 months coming in on.
Yeah.
That sound about right? All right. I was just curious, yeah. With you guys writing songs, do you guys have a specific focus for what your music wants to be about? Do you have a focus for any type of message or idea?
Well, she writes the lyrics.
Okay.
So
I guess that's targeted towards you then.
Yeah, I just write all the time. I feel like people ask me that question a lot, like what my songwriting process is, but I don't know, I just feel like I write all the time and then kind of pull things
It just kind
from
of
my
comes.
personal journal.
Yeah. I feel you. It kind of comes to you and flows through you, as opposed to like, I want to write a song about this, and then I want to write a song about
Yeah.
this. It's just kind of whatever comes to you.
Yeah.
I see.
pretty much.
Okay.
They're kind of jumbled, yeah.
Cool.
Are there like anything that in particular that you guys are kind of hoping for the future to come, things to come?
Oh, I mean, we'd love to just not have to get real jobs and just play music forever, right? Like, who wouldn't want that? But just play more shows.
And more shows. We're thinking about going to the studio pretty
Yeah,
quick.
we've got some
Oh, that should be
very
fun.
potential options for studio time now. So
Yeah, big things coming soon. We're on Instagram.
We're hoping to do like a small Midwest tour this summer.
yeah, hopefully.
That'd be really awesome.
That'd be really fun.
Uh,
Yeah, that's the idea.
so I personally have 2 more questions in mind. Charlie, do you have any other questions that you're burning to ask right now?
Well, one of the main things that I wanted to ask was, where do you guys, like, what would be your main goal for where you see you guys, even within like the next few months, a year? But it sounds like you guys pretty much have it steady, that you guys want to record more songs, have more studio time, and just kind of set the groundwork.
Yeah.
Do you have any, like, this is completely out there, but if you were to see yourself maybe in like a few years, what would be just a ridiculous dream of where you guys would be performing, or like somewhere you'd want to be?
We're gonna play First Ave in 3 years.
Watch out for us. Any kind of festival, I mean, that would be incredible.
Yeah.
Play some
Actually,
fest.
we're gonna play Rash Festival at the Plus
Oh, yeah.
in April.
Nice.
So come to that. But
That's true.
All right. So I guess one last question, since I think we've kind of tortured you guys enough, you know? Charlie, do you agree with that?
I was gonna say, we've thrown you through the gauntlet.
All right. So last question, probably the easiest one, hopefully the easiest one. So where can we find you guys' music, either online or like the usual places that you guys like to perform?
you can't find any of our music online right now.
No,
But
it's only on very exclusive vinyl presses. You have to find them. It's a scavenger hunt.
All right.
Post the details on Instagram.
Find them
We're on
all.
Instagram.
But check us out on
Facebook.
Instagram.
Eventually,
Yeah.
you'll see music there. Within
Miss-
hopefully the next like 2 or 3 months.
Miss B Band is our Instagram, so check that out. And we'll have music on Spotify.
What's our Facebook? I forget what it is.
It's also Miss B Band is our Facebook.
Solid.
Yeah.
All right. I think with that, unless Charlie, you have any last burning questions,
I have nothing more to add.
then we'll kind of leave you guys to it to finish up your set here. All right.
Cool.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for coming on, guys.
Yeah, thank you guys.
The song's called Floral Couch. You love the thunder and you like it when it pours. Let's drink coffee. No, I already bought you yours. And I love the commotion of this place. I hold it dear. And I'll spill my guts on this Jack and Jay. Cool. Thank you.
Awesome performance, guys.
Yeah, that
Thank
was a
you
great
so
closer.
much. All right. I think it's about time to kind of wrap things up here. So, I'm Nathan Blazer.
My name is Charlie Retcher.
This has been Sounds of the Valley. This has been Miss B. Once again, would you guys mind saying where we can find your stuff? You said you had Instagram and Facebook, correct?
Yeah. Instagram, Miss B Band. And come see us at the Ugly Mermaid on Saturday.
All right. With that, I think we'll be signing off from Sounds of the Valley. See you next time, guys.
See you next time.